Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on January 12th. Is this the 13th? No, January 11th on eBay. Surprise, surprise, no sales on HIP. Starting to get pissed at HIP. We'll see how much longer I am on that site. As you can see on the screen, 24 orders for a total of $272. I'll be right back. So 24 orders, $272, 75 cents. San Mateo, California, the Royal Lodge Motel swimming pool, $5.99 for that card. Next, Brattleboro, Vermont, 1950s view of Main Street, old cars. $3.99. That's been up for a while. Charlottesville, Virginia, General Robert E. Lee, Confederate Monument. This has, I believe, been removed, as it should be. $38.99. That was a best offer. Raphael Tuck, Brown Eyes and Blue, Christmas, unsigned, E.J. Andrews. It's a shame someone added that little beauty mark to this postcard. Yeah, Brown Eyes and Blue, series 6615. $20 or $19.99. That's going overseas. Judaica postcard, Jewish New Year greetings, Mount Sinai. Morris Katz is the artist. There's his signature right there. And there's the back, and that sold for $5, and that is also going overseas. Reno, Nevada, Center Street at Night, Palace Club, Bank Club, circa 1940s. There's that, and that sold for $8.99. Next, Glen Cove, Long Island, New York, Continental Place Opera House. There's that. Kind of rough condition. Still $12.99 on that card. Okay, next we have Greetings from Utica, New York, Rapid Transit in 1780, boating Mohawk River. And there's that, and that sold for $7 on a best offer. Long Island, New York, Indians in ceremonial dress, vintage linen. $5 best offer. Cleveland, Ohio, Crowd. Should be Crowd, not Crown. Leaving Cleveland Municipal Stadium, 1937. $14.99. Kind of rough condition, but it's an uncommon view of the stadium. This is Indiana, St. Mary of the Woods, air view of campus. Not familiar with this. Some paper stuck on the back. $3.50 best offer. 4th of July, watching Battle of Bunker Hill, firecracker, circa 1909. It's a Tux. $9 best offer. That's about the going rate for those cards. Bell Center, Ohio, O'Connor's Landing, East Side, Indian Lake, real photo. This sold within probably an hour of listing yesterday. Has some paper stuff stuck to the front. $19.99. Got that for about 80 cents at the York Postcard Show 2021. Flint, Michigan, Holiday Inn, circa 1960s, old cars. There's that. $5. There is a Holiday Inn in Joplin, Missouri that was owned by Mickey Mantle, and on the marquee it says Mickey Mantle. Mickey Mantle, I guess, is the owner, or Mickey Mantle's Holiday Inn. That can command a little, not a little, but probably about $20-$30, because the sports collectors also like that card. So keep an eye out for that one. Anyway, Flint, this one sold $5 on a best offer. This is American Girl, Woman, Pigtails, Artist Sign, Pearl Fiddler, Lemunyan. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that or not. There's her. $20 best offer. I think I had it up for about $24. This is Sausalito, California. Marbles, store, clothing, accessory, jewelry. It's an ad card for this store. It's kind of neat with the marbles. $2.49 on a best offer. As you can see, I have many of these. Same with this card, advertising postcard. Hershey, Pennsylvania, milk chocolate cow made on the farm. This is a continental size. Newer one, probably 80s or 90s. Again, I have many copies of this, sold for $2.49. Scenic Greetings from Villas, New Jersey, vintage linen cows. I keep saying it, pick up these very generic scenic views that show the town names. If you don't recognize the town, pick it up, especially if they're a quarter. $12.99. This is the SS Grandview Ship Hotel, Lincoln Highway, circa 1950s. I've sold actually quite many of these over the last couple months. I still think they used to command a lot higher price, but they're a consistent seller. So yeah, $9.99. Another Morris Katz Jewish Judaica Artist Sign New Year's Greeting ad. And this reason I put ad is it's an ad from Morris Katz selling his postcards. And this one went $6.99. Next, this is it Plankinton, South Dakota, Fishing in the City Lake, published by the City Drug Store. There's a better view. Might be hand colored. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, there's an RPO. So what's WD? I don't understand what WD. I'm not sure what that is. It's upside down. DM. RPO. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to look at that. It doesn't matter. It's sold for $12.99. Chinkatink, Cloudy, a Chinkatink horse at Clark's Corner. That's a bad picture. Old one. Very old. Had this for quite a while. $6.99 for that one. This is Allegheny, Pennsylvania. Lake West Park, circa 08. And this one sold for $6.99. There's the back. And the last card is it Garberville, California. Unique log house. Redwood Cliffs, vintage linen, probably 40s or 50s, 42-ish, and that sold for $7.49. So there you have it. Pretty good day. If I'm averaging 200-ish a day, that's incredible. I really don't put in much work. I got to have a big store with lots of items, but once you get there, the postcards sell themselves. And again, I'm doing, I think, fairly well. I'm definitely not going to complain, except I'm going to complain about Hip Postcard. I'm just about ready to quit them. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.